How I'm starting my faceless YouTube channel as a beginner. No face, no voice. This is my first video on YouTube, and I won't show my face or even use my real voice. I'm starting from zero. I'm shy on camera, but I still want to build a channel. Faceless YouTube is perfect if you want privacy, freedom, and creativity. Tools I'm using: CapCut, Premiere for editing, AI voice tools, Photoshop, Canva for thumbnails. Content: I plan to make YouTube tips, AI tutorials, editing tricks and tips, information about useful things like history or any others. I'll upload useful content, all without showing my face. ROM 0, and I want to take you with me. If you're also starting from scratch, subscribe and grow with me.